Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move money in your Revolut account. So as you can see here at the top, I have multiple currencies. Let me swipe across, and let's say I would like to move some of the money which I have in the Great Britain pounds there to, for example, the local Czech account or my personal account. It's very easy. Go ahead and click on move, and here you want to go ahead and choose how much you want to add. So let's say I would like to add, for example, 5, and then you will see how much it's result into with the second amount. So you will need to swipe down or scroll down to see how much it will result into. As you can see here, it's going to result into 148 crowns there. And you can review your order by simple go ahead and click on review, and you will see if there are any fees, how much you will be transferring, and so forth. And once you do it, you will have the option that says sell. That's how it works, right? Click on sell, dear guys, and you will be able to basically move that money into that other currency. And that's it. You see immediately that the money is moved, and now I have that much money added into my account. And if you look down, as if you scroll on a bit, you will see that it actually moved. You can see from the history there that I moved from Great Britain to actually to the CZK account. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.